What's up, what's up? Okay guys, so first of all, how's everybody doing? No one can hear me. Anyway, so I got this new curly wig from the beauty supply and I'm gonna try it on camera. I have not done anything to it yet. I haven't cut it, fitted it properly, nothing like that. I just wanted just pretty much like a raw wig unboxing video. So the wig I got today, drum roll please. It's a converti cap wig. It is just a curly hair wig. Jamal, oh, I'm speaking.
Okay.
It's a converti cap wig, which converti cap pretty much means like you can adjust the straps and it could be a wig, a ponytail, half wig, whatever. So I got this wig at the beauty supply for $24.99, technically $25, but I will find it on Amazon and put it in the description box below so you can get it yourself. All right, so this is her. Honestly, I love the texture thus far because it doesn't have that like super, let me just put it in the camera by itself, but it doesn't have that like super shiny look. It has more of a yucky look, and I prefer that because it just looks a lot more natural and blends with my hair naturally. Inside, there is a drawstring. So the drawstring is what allows you to pull the cap to make it tighter, so it could be worn as a ponytail, or if you want to do like braids or little bantu knots in the front and then just have it at the back, and it's just gonna be banging. It's gonna look like yours. But let's put it on. All right, so this is how she looks when you first put her on. All right, yeah, this wig is gonna need some TLC. Cause right now I definitely look like I'm from the 80s and I just got like a curly perm or jerry curls or something. It fits. I like to pull it out first. So you could leave hair out because it's kind of supposed to be a half wig, but because I want to create bangs with it, I don't really want to I'm not gonna leave any hair out. So I'm kind of just fitting it to my head to where I can create some bangs. Alright, so I'm gonna be using some kitchen scissors because I can't find my hair scissors, and I'm just gonna start chopping away at some. Oh my God, we're already getting somewhere. We are already getting somewhere. At first I was kind of gonna do more, I don't know if I should cut right here or if I'm kind of feeling this kind of like curly, almost mullet type look. I need to take some off right here. Right here looks kind of long. It looks a little wonky. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take some more off right here. So I'll be right back. Okay, we are getting somewhere now. I am feeling less Rick James and more like Melly. Anyway, I'm gonna take my comb and just kind of tease out the curls, just a little, not too much, because it will naturally just trash out itself. I think for now though, it's not bad. It really isn't bad. It really isn't bad. And then you can leave a little hair out in the front right here just in case the breeze blow. Breeze. You can still, even with the bangs, rock a little side part. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. I know I've been posting a lot of hair videos and I'm thinking to probably get more into more like fashion, makeup, skincare, more lifestyle type stuff. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that as well. And get this wig.